Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, or welcome if you are new. My name is Mackenzie, and in this video I will just be doing a pickup around my home before the weekend. It's not going to be any major deep cleaning or anything, just vacuuming and wiping a few things down and putting things where they need to go that have been misplaced or whatnot. But I really hope you guys enjoy this video and consider subscribing. And for everyone else who is subscribed and continue to watch my videos, I really appreciate you guys. But let's just get on into this video.
I've been feeling so small. Watch the clock ticking off the wall. Tonight I'm letting it go. Spend my coin for sure.
Alright guys, so in this video I will be starting out in my bedroom, and the first thing I like to do is to make my bed. Whenever you start cleaning, where do you like to start?
I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Stars, I wanna drive a faster car. Lay my troubles to rest. Blow the smoke through my cigarette. City lights looking fine, and I know this is my time now. I'm gonna be myself, or I could be someone else. No one's stopping me now. Skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I just wanna feel alive. It's just what I do when I'm out, so try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna be myself, I'm gonna be someone else. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. I'm gonna skip my breaks, I'm gonna make mistakes. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at these beautiful stars. I wanna drive a faster car. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me. Try not to hold me down. Feel alive when I'm in this town. Look at those beautiful stars. I wanna take a trip to Mars. Nothing can break me, no, nothing can break me.
Okay, so finishing up in my bedroom, I will just be doing a quick vacuum, and I did sprinkle some of this Arm & Hammer carpet freshener that just makes the carpet just smell so fresh. I definitely love it. Moving on to our master bathroom, I will just be giving the counter a good wipe down, cleaning the toilet, and just vacuuming, and that is all I will be doing in here. Moving on to the living room, I am just going to be folding up all these blankets. I do allow my kids every now and then to make a pallet in the living room and kind of camp out. So that is what I'm doing, just cleaning up the blankets.
Dance for me, easy tiger, easy, let your hair down. Come closer, let me see all your million faces and all your million mistakes. You don't need to hide. Come closer so that we can be together. Lips got me rushing, panning, I'm so lit.
We did just purchase this oversized recliner and couch not too long ago, and I am trying to figure out what to do with this space, and I think possibly I just need to change up the rug in there. Y'all just let me know your suggestions. They are really appreciated. And this box just right here is just things I needed to sort through from bringing in from my car that I just cleaned out. And obviously there are some dishes and some laundry that I have to do.
Yeah, we've stayed loyal to each other.
Now moving on to the kitchen, I will just be cleaning off the table, cleaning off the counters, doing the dishes, and then wiping down the counters, and then just vacuuming, and then I will be done.
You say that you don't need me. You say let's take things slowly. I hope you realize you're playing with fire. I know what heartbreak feels like. I know I've shed some teardrops. I've been here before. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Saying words ain't easy. I know you can't talk to me, but I hope you realize you're playing with fire. You were my one and only until you left me lonely. I guess you stopped to care. You have done it now. Left me on the ground. This is it. I won't come back. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Like a different game, 'cause I don't play and you don't care. Starting new on my own, 'cause I don't need you. Hold like a different game, 'cause I don't play, but you're so bad. Starting new on my own, someone just take me away. Ooh, hey. You're playing with the fire. If we don't stop, if we don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. Sitting by myself, going crazy like all the time. If we don't stop, if I don't go, I'll be left alone every night when you go. And I hope you realize, playing with the fire. Playing with the fire.
You had me at a low, 'cause where you go is where I go. I don't need nobody else. I got you, and you got me too.
You can ride all the blue.
I wanna do what you want to. We can leave and run away someday, someday. I've been saving you, and you save me too. Yeah, I need it. Don't you need take you anywhere, somewhere we won't be scared.
You will see me flying high. I'm staring into your blue